I'm making Paula Deen'S Christmas nut pie. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Sonja of Domestic Diva Cooking. She has two other channels also, Domestic Diva DIY, and I have a DIY channel which I also participate with different challenges and such with her there. And she also has Domestic Diva Home. I will have all three of her channels listed in the description box down below. And I will also have the playlist listed because you will find some delicious recipes on this. So if you like content and recipes like this, please hit that subscribe button down below if you hadn't. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to go check out Sonja's channel because it is wonderful. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. I've got a half a cup of melted butter. And to that, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs that's slightly beaten, I have a tablespoon of white vinegar, a half a cup of flaked coconut, a half a cup of raisins, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Now this is a lot like my coconut pie that I posted not long ago, but it's got that extra goodness to it. And I made this pie for an older gentleman at our church. He was having some tests done, and he said his mom used to make this, and he called it a raisin pie. But I really like it. My husband and I do. And all you do is mix it together and put it in your pie crust. It's a 9-inch prepared pie crust, unbaked. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And we just put it in here. I mean, this is so easy. And I will bake it, it says for 40 to 50 minutes. I'm going to try it in 30. And I'll see you then. Here it is. It looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to go visit Sonja's channels and check out the playlist. So until next time, bye y'all.